Now, Jones' case dates back more than 2 decades. It has been a journey filled with endless emotional legal battles for Jones and Paul Howell's family as well. News 9's crime tracker Jennifer Pierce takes a look at how the case has developed through the years. Jen?
Amanda, the events of today and the past several months, even years, have added to the historical precedence of this case. Throughout, Julius Jones has maintained his innocence. From the beginning, the 1999 shooting death of Paul Howell has been in the spotlight. Investigators say the motive was to rob Howell of his Suburban. The only witness to the deadly robbery was Howell's sister. She described the suspect as a young black man wearing a beanie with hair sticking out, a white T-shirt, and a red bandana over his face. Days later, Edmond police arrested a 19-year-old Julius Jones and his friend, Chris Jordan. Then District Attorney Bob Macy announced he would seek the death penalty. A jury found Jones guilty and sentenced him to death based on his accomplice's testimony and 2 key pieces of evidence that were found in Jones's parents' home, the murder weapon and a red bandana. Following the trial, Jones filed 4 appeals. All were denied by the State Court of Criminal Appeals. More attempts were made to spare Jones's life. Last month, he was granted a stay of execution, only to be overruled by the U.S. Supreme Court. Another appeal to put the inmate's execution on hold was filed this month, but once again denied. Only hours before Jones was scheduled to be executed, Governor Stitt commuted his death sentence to life in prison without the possibility of parole. The state attorney general's office responded by saying the evidence in Jones's case confirmed his guilt and the death penalty was warranted. Live in the newsroom, Jennifer Pierce, Oklahoma's own News 9.